Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a profitable blog just like the one you are seeing over here. We are going to develop a blog from scratch, so you don't need to worry. Just stay here and then check the link in description of anything that I'm going to mention in this particular video. In case today is the first time you are watching this channel, my name is Francis, and what I do over here is I teach digital marketing, blogging, and also how to make money online. So just stay here with me and let me show you how you can create a profitable blog from scratch. Now, the first thing you have to do is to select your niche. So for example, this is the niche that I want to go for. That is the dog niche over here. So just watch how I'm going to develop this website from scratch. So for us to develop our website, we need a domain and hosting. So I'm going to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap, as you are seeing on your screen. Namecheap is very good. I'll be leaving a link in description for you. When you use that link to purchase your domain and hosting, you are going to get a discount, so make sure you use that link. Now, after you've purchased your domain and hosting from Namecheap, all you have to do is to come to the dashboard. So let me go to the dashboard and show you how we are going to launch our WordPress website. So on our dashboard, is going to display different domains that we have in our account. So you can see these are the different domains I have over here, and also it will be displaying our hosting. So this is the hosting over here. So we'll go to our cPanel. So let's click go to cPanel. In case you are using different hosts, it's the same procedure. We are going to launch our WordPress website on our cPanel. That's what I'm doing right now. So right here on the cPanel, all we need to do is to go to this place that says Toftanculos app installer. Click on it, and then it's going to display this interface for you. You'll be seeing different website builders over here, but in this case we want to build a WordPress website, so we are going to choose WordPress. So let's go ahead and launch our WordPress website here. So click install, and then we are going to do some few settings over here before we install our WordPress website. Now we have to come to this place and select our domain. So let's click here. It's going to display all your domains and also your subdomains, and make sure you select the domain that you want to launch your WordPress website from the drop down menu. And then just leave this over here. It's going to be on the latest WordPress, so just leave it over there, and then scroll down and name your site anything that you want to name it, but we can change this in the future also. So we can just leave it like this, or we name it anything that we want to name it. So in this case, I just want to name it Dog Trains. Remember, we can also do this setting on our WordPress dashboard, so you don't need to worry about it. Now, in terms of the admin username and password, this is very important because this is what you are going to use in order to log into your WordPress dashboard. So over here, the admin username, I'm going to do it Dog Train also. And then this is a password over here that is generated at default, but you can also change this password and make sure you mix it with numbers also. So our password is ready, and then all you have to do is to scroll down, and then you can just uncheck this, and then make sure you come here and click install right now, so your WordPress website will be launched. So our WordPress website is installing. Let's wait for some couple of seconds, then we continue with our tutorial. So congratulations, the software was installed. So right now our WordPress website is being installed, and the name of our domain is dogtrain.syz. So when we want to log into our domain, we have to use this particular URL over here, that is our domain /wp manage admin. So let's go and log in into our domain. So you open a new tab, then you type the URL of your domain /wp-admin, and then you hit enter. So this will take you to your WordPress dashboard for you to log in. So all you have to do is to remember and enter your username over there, or you can also use your email address. So this is our username that we use, and then let's paste our password here, and then you can take this to remember your device, and then click here login. So right now we are on our WordPress dashboard, and quickly let's do this. Just come to the top over here and make sure you click here, and then just go ahead and uncheck some of this so that the dashboard will be clean. Okay, so let's just uncheck all of them. So you can see right now our dashboard is very clean. So let me quickly introduce you to some things over here in case you are new to WordPress. Now this is where we always come to the back end of our WordPress dashboard, that is the home. This is where we're gonna add posts, and then this is where we're gonna add our media, for example video, music, ebook, or anything that is media. This is where we are going to add it, and then this is where we'll be adding our pages. This is where we'll be seeing the comments that people drop on our posts. This is where we are going to set our theme, that is appearance. This is where we are going to add our plugins, and then we can do our user settings over here. For example, if we want to change our password and the rest, or our user profile, we're gonna do it over here. And then also we have some tools over here for you, and then this where we'll be doing our necessary settings. So as we are standing on settings, let's continue and come to this place that says permalinks. So click on permalinks. So permalinks will give the structure to your links. So in this case, I want the permalink to be on post name, so put it on post name over here, and then just come down here and save changes. So after you've done with that, the next thing you can do is to go to general settings. So you can see general down. So let's do these few settings over here, and then you can see your site title over here, and then your site tagline. Now the site title is the title of your website. Remember when we are launching the website in our Namecheap, I wrote dog train over here as a subtitle. So the site tagline is the description of your website, for example the meta description of your website, or what your website talks about. So you can see at default it's saying my WordPress blog. I'm going to change it to something like get your dog being trained here, or something very simple. So after you've changed your site tagline, just scroll down over here, and then you're gonna see your email address over here. This is your administration email. Leave everything like that. In case you want to change the time zone, you can do it over here. In case you want to change the date format and then the time format, just go ahead and do that. But I just want to leave everything, and then click save changes. So right now let's go ahead and view our website and see how it's looking. So I'll come over here and open our website in a new tab and let it load, and let's see how our website is looking now. So this is how our website is looking at default. You can see there is our website here, and then we have to go ahead and set our website right from here. So let's go back to the back end of our WordPress dashboard, and this time around we are coming to install a theme. So over your mouse on appearance, then you click themes. Now there are a couple of different themes over here, but these are not the themes that I want. So just come over here and click add new theme, and then we are going to search for a theme over here that is called Astra. I like using Astra to develop my website because it's one of the best themes over there. You can also use any other theme over here. So this is Astra. In case you don't see Astra over here, you can just go ahead and search it over here. Now, so let's just click here, install, and then the next thing is to activate. So right now our Astra theme is being installed and activated. Let's go back and see how our website is looking. Let me refresh. So this is how our website is looking now, and then let's go ahead and make sure we continue with the setup. So the next thing we got to do is let's come back to the home, that is the dashboard over here, and let me show you. You can see this will be telling you to install the starter templates that are already available for you, but in this case I don't want to use any starter template because we want to develop our website from scratch. So just close this over here, and let's go ahead and add plugins so that we can use them in order to develop our website. So over your mouse on plugins, and then click install plugins first. So over here you'll be seeing the plugins that are being installed on your website at default. So we are going to remove these plugins, and then we are going to add our own plugins. So just come over here and tick this, and then go to bulk action, and then select deactivate first, so that if any of them is being installed, it can be deactivated. After that, just click there again, and then click delete, and then you're gonna delete them right now by clicking apply. So you can see all those plugins have been deleted. Now let's add our new plugin. So click here, add new plugin. So the first plugin that we want to install over here is called Classic Editor. So click here, install now. And then let's activate it. And then go to add new plugin again. And then the second plugin we want to install over here is called Elementor. So just search Elementor over here. In case you don't see any of the plugin on the dashboard, just go to the search column over there and search it. So this is Elementor website builder. Just click install, and then click activate. So the third plugin we want to install over here, and that is the plugin we want to use for now, is to go here, add new again, and then the name of the plugin is Element Kit Elementor add-on. So just come over here and search Element Kit. So there's a plugin. Just click install. Make sure you have a look at the icons very well so that you will not get confused, and then activate it. So our plugins are ready now. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and add some categories to our website. So let's go to this place that says, so to add a category, come to post, and then over your mouse on categories. So at default, there is only one category that is being added on your WordPress website over here, but it will not be showing on the header. This is the header over here. When I come back to the WordPress website, this is the header, and then this is the body, and then this is the footer. Now on the header you'll be seeing category just like what you are seeing over here. Sample page will be showing over here. So when we add a category, our categories must be shown over here. So let's go and do that. So to add a category, simply just enter a name of a category that you want to add. For example, I want to add food over here. That is, I'll be talking about dog foods over there. So I'll just write food, and then the next thing I want you to do is to come over here and click add new category. If you make a mistake, you can just go ahead and delete your category over here by clicking the delete, and make sure you enter the name of a new category and create a new one. Another category that I want to create over here is toys. That is, I'll be talking about the toys that dogs used to play over here. So just come over here, add new category again, and that category is being added. Let's go and refresh our website and see in case those categories will be on the top of the header over here. You can see none of the categories appears over here when I refresh the website. Why? Because we didn't create a menu. So let's go and create a menu so that we can add our categories to them. To create a menu, just come over here and over your mouse on appearance, you can see menus over here. Click menus, and then simply it's going to bring you this interface over here. You don't need to get confused. Just go ahead and name your menu over here, anything that you want to name it. In this case, I want to name it top menu, and then make sure you select primary menu because that is going to be our primary header. And then come over here and click create menu. So right now our menu is being created. So let's go ahead and add our categories to the menu that we have created. To add the categories to a menu, just come over here, and then you can see categories over here. Just over your mouse and click their categories. Come over here and click view all, and then select the categories that you want them to appear on the header over here. In this case, I want foods and then toys to appear over here. So I will tick the two of them and then come over here and click add to menu. So simply you have seen that those categories are being added to the menu over here. Just go ahead and click save menu. So our menu is being saved. You can also go ahead and interchange any of this. Maybe you want this to be at the top or this to come first. You can do any one, and when you drag it to the downside like this, it becomes a sub menu. So make sure you take note of that. Anything that you want to do after doing that, make sure you save the menu. So I've done what I want to do and I've saved it already. So let's go and refresh our website and see. So right now you have seen that we are having two categories over here on our website, that is food and then toys. You can go ahead and then design your header over here. I will show you that in my next tutorial. So let's go ahead and make sure we add a blog post to our website over here. For us to add a blog post to our website, let's come to where it says post. We hover our mouse over there and then click all posts. So over here you can see this is a default post that is being added. That is hello world. That is the post you are seeing over here. So make sure you delete that post before you move on to create your own post over here. So this is what I will be doing. I will just select it and then trash it over here. So after doing that, let's go ahead and add our new post. So add new post. So for me to write a post over here or a blog post, I'm going to use SEO Writing AI. In case you don't know about SEO Writing AI, then you are still lacking behind, because if you want your articles to rank very fast on Google for you to get a lot of traffic, you must use SEO Writing AI. Just go to the link in the description of this video and you are going to get 30% discount when you use that link in this Christmas season. So this is SEO Writing AI that can write one-click blog posts. It can also generate bulk articles, that is auto blogging, and you can also use it for writing a product review, and also you can also use it to write a product run-ups. So I have a couple of articles that I've generated on SEO Writing AI for this particular tutorial, so I'll be using them. Let me just come over here and click document. So SEO writing AI can also generate images together with articles for you. For example, let me show you over here. You can see SEO writing AI has generated image together with the article over here. Okay, but this is not the article that I want to use. So let me show you the one that I want to use. In this case, I've generated some over here. Let me just click here. Can dogs eat avocado? This is one of the articles that I've written with SEO writing AI. So just go ahead and then you come over here and click show meta tags, and then SEO writing AI is going to show you the title of the article and as well as going to show you the meta description. Let me just copy the title over here, and then let me come and paste it over here. And then the next thing I want to do is to make sure I copy the article itself. So let me copy here, and then let me come over here and paste it at the body side. So you can just do your few editing that you want to do, or your few additions, or whatever you want to do, you can do it. And in this case, I want to add an image over here, so I'll click here, set featured image, and then I have a featured image that I want to use, so I'll select the image. So I've set the featured image here, and then let's go ahead and add our blog post to a category. So in this case, I want to add it to the food categories. And then the next thing I want to do is to make sure I publish this article. You can also go ahead and make sure you do your SEO very well. That's not what I'm showing in this tutorial anyway. So after adding that blog post, let me add another one over here. So I will click add new again. And then let me go back and copy one of my blog posts again. So it's over here. So let me copy the title and paste. And let me now copy the article, and I'll also paste it over here. It has always copied with the title, so you can just remove the title from the beginning there. You can see this is a full blog post written by SEO writing AI. Very nice blog post with FAQs. It will rank very fast on Google. So make sure you check the link in the description and upgrade on SEO writing AI and start using it right now. So I'm going to add this blog post to toys, for example. So I've clicked toys, and then let me click here to set a featured image also. So let me upload a new image here. So let's go ahead and click here, set featured image. So our featured image will appear over here, and the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and publish this article. Always make sure you do your necessary settings, that is editing through your article. It's very important for you to check that. Now we've written 2 blog posts, so let's continue. Let me refresh our website and see how it's looking now. You can see this is how our website is looking now. It's showing our blog post over here, but you can see it's not in any good form. So let's put it in a very nice form by developing a page that is creating our home page. So let's go and do that. For us to create our home page, we have to come over here and hover our mouse on pages, and then we're gonna click all pages that appears over here. So you can see these are the pages that have been added at default, but we don't need these pages for now. So let's just go ahead and remove them by clicking here, and then we go to bulk action, and then we move to trash, click apply, and then you can see the pages has been moved to trash. So let's create a new page right now by clicking add new page, and then we are going to name this page our home page. So let's just write home over here. So let's go ahead and come to the right hand side over here and do this setting. Come and click container layout, go and select full width, container style, leave it like that. Sidebar, come to no sidebar, and then write a sidebar style, just leave it like that. So also come over here and disable title, disable breadcrumb, disable featured image. Is very important. So after doing that, the next you want to do is to click here, publish. So right now our page is being created. So let's go ahead and edit the page with Elementor. You're gonna see edit with Elementor, click on it, and then simply this will redirect you to the Elementor page builder. That is what we are going to use in order to build our home page. So let's go and do that in some few minutes and come back. So this is Elementor page builder that is showing here. It's just drag and drop page builder. You can just drag and drop anything from the left hand side over here to the dashboard over here, and it's gonna be part of your website. But in this case, I don't want to use anything from the left hand side over here, but I want to use the element kit plugin that we've downloaded. So it's over here. This is the red item over here. Just click on it, for example, and then just come to where it says categories, and then let's just select blog post. We want it to be in a blog post form at the beginning. Okay, so when you select blog post, you'll be having a couple of structures over here. It will be showing the template over here for you to select how you want the blog homepage to look like. So just go ahead and select any one that you like over here. In this case, I want to select this one over here, or you can also select any other one in case you don't like that one. So let me just select any one of them. Let me select this. So after selecting it, just come over here and click insert. So it will be showing like this for you. So this is the heading that is on it, but in this case I don't need this heading for now, so just close it over here. Anything you don't need, just click the multiplication sign over here, or the close sign. Just click the close sign over here and it's going to be closed. So over here, just make sure you click there and then come to the left hand side over here and do the necessary setting. That is, we are going to add a post over here. So how do we add that post? When you click here, you're gonna come over here to the left hand side and you're gonna see where it says query. Make sure you click the query, and then this is where you are going to select the posts that you want them to be shown over here. So you can see select categories over here. So just click there, and which categories do you want them to be showing over here for you. You can select any category that you want, for example toys, and then food category. But in case you want your blog post to be shown immediately you post them, they should show automatically, just come to this page that says category post and then put it on recent posts. So the post will be displayed over here. Just click here, update. So this is very simple. You can see the blog posts are being shown over here, and then when you create more blog posts, they are just going to be displayed there, just like the way these ones are being displayed over here. Okay, so you just create more blog posts, they are going to fill all this space, and you can also go ahead and add more widgets from here, just like the way we did the first one. You can add more widgets from here, how you want them to look like. You can do that. It's very simple for you to do right here. So let's go back to the back end of our website and see how things are looking now. So right now we are here. You can just go ahead and close all these things over here. In case you don't want them, just close them over here. So let's refresh our website and see how it's looking again. You can see there is no change over here after we develop our home page. Let's go ahead and do that so that everything will be showing very nicely over here. So let's go here to the back end of our dashboard again, and then this time around just come over your mouse on appearance and click customize. Now it will open like this for you, and what you need to do is to make sure you just come down here to where it says home page setting, click on it, and then make sure you come over here and click a static page. Then make sure you click select over here and place it at home, so that it will be displaying your home page immediately you publish any new article. So you can see our home page is now showing. So the next thing is to click publish, and then you can just close this now. So let's go back and refresh our home page again and see how it's looking. Perfect. You can see our home page is now looking very nicely over here. So when you create more blog posts, it's gonna look just like the way this one is looking over here. In case you want me to develop your website for you, just check the link in description and get in touch with me through the WhatsApp link over there, and I'm going to develop a very new website for you, and it will look very nice. Now you can also go ahead and make sure you customize your header over here as well as your footer. It's very simple for you to do that. Let me just take you through that in some few minutes. So for you to develop your header and footer, just come over here to customize again. So right here again, let's go ahead and change the color of the header. This is the header over here. So let's change the color of this header over here by coming over here. Just come down here and click on header. You can see header builder over here. Make sure you click on it, and then it's gonna display like this for you. This is where your logo is showing. That is the site title over here. Okay, in case you upload the logo, it's gonna show the same way, just like the way this one is showing here. Now this is the bar over here that this primary menu is showing. This is the primary menu over here. These are the menus over here. So make sure you click that bar. The setting is over here. Click on it, and then you can simply change any design that you want right from here. So for example, just come to the design column over here. Let's say I want to change the color of the background over here. You can see the color of the background is at white. So I'll just make sure I click over there and then select any color. For example, let me select something like black or any other color. You can see definitely the color of the background has changed. You can also select any color over here. You can see the color has changed again. So let me leave it at black. Now our primary menu is not showing. So since our primary menu is not showing, what are we going to do? Make sure you click on the primary menu, and then it's gonna display this page again for you over here. Come over here and click design again, and then just scroll down. You're gonna see the menu items colors over here. You can see the color to the text is showing normal, and then when you hover your mouse on it, this is how it's going to show, and then when it is activated, this is how it's going to show, right? So this is what you want to do. Over here, just change this color to white, and then the text will be showing. You can see it's now showing over here, and then just make sure all of them are in white, so that when they hover the mouse on it, it will still be in the same color. Okay, so that is very nice. So this one is also not showing. How am I going to make it to show? That is the site title or the logo. Just make sure you click site title over here, and then it's going to display the same thing for you. And then come over here to design again, and then just go ahead and change the color over here. You can see logo color. Just click on it. I want it to be white, or any other thing that you want it to be, maybe red or whatever thing you want it to be. Let's go ahead and select it, and then come over here, site title color. How do you want it to be? I want it to be white. I want this one to also be white, and then you can see right now it's showing now. Okay, so you can also go ahead and change the font style over here. The same way you can change the font style of this over here. So anyone that you want to change, you can change it very nicely over here. For example, let's say I want to change the font style for these menu items. Maybe I want them to look somehow big. I'll just make sure I click the menu item, that is the primary menu, and then I'll come to this place that says general, and then at the general column I can just change the width over here for the sub menu. And then when you go to the design column over here, you can just scroll down over here and do some necessary settings that you want. For example, let's say I want to change the font style over here. All I have to do is to make sure I come and click the menu item over here, and then simply I'll just come to design, and then I'll scroll down to where it's saying menu font. Make sure you click on it, and then simply you can change the font over here to any other font that you want. So let's say, for example, I want to change this font to Poppins, so I'll just select it, and then let's say the font weight, I want to change it to maybe medium 500. Maybe you want it to be somehow big. You can see how it's looking now over here. It's very nice, and then you can just click publish after you've done with everything. Now let me show you something over here. This is how it's looking on desktop, but when I click here, this is how it will be looking on tablet. Okay, this is our website will be looking on tablet, and then when I click here, this is how it will be looking on mobile. Okay, this is how it will be looking on mobile. So let's just click publish, and then the next thing we want to do in this case is to go and then set our footer menu also. So let's go back by clicking this arrow over here and click it again. The footer menu is at the down over here. This is where it's saying copyright something here. Okay, so just come over here and click footer builder, and then you can see it's showing your footer menu over here. The same procedure, just click settings over here. You can see the settings icon over here, and then you can simply change the design from this side. Let's say, for example, you want the background to be, let's say you want it to be black or blue or any other color. Let's say, for example, blue. You can just select the blue, and then let's say you want the menu item over here, the copyright item over here to be a different color. For example, you can just click on it, and then you can just change the design that you want by clicking design, and then you can change the text color to any color that you like, for example white. And then if you want to change the copyright item that is at the down here, for example, you want to put your whatever thing over here, maybe copyright to be display your site title over here, whatever thing you want to do over here, just come over here and do it. You can see it's over here for you. I don't want to do any setting over there anyway, so just click publish. I'm done, and then let me refresh our website and see how it's looking now. So very beautiful right now. You can see we have a very nice website over here. This is our header, and then it's showing all our categories. And then, for example, when somebody click on toys categories, the person is going to read the blog post under toys categories. When somebody click food category, the person is going to read the blog post under food category. And then when the person come back to the home page, this is how it's looking very nicely. Make sure you create more articles to fill all this space, and you can see our footer is also looking very nice over here. In case you like my tutorial, all I want from you is to check the link in the description and make sure you purchase any item that I put over there, and also make sure you grab the copy of my digital marketing course over there. That is a very nice ebook that can guide you to make sure you succeed in your online business, and also make sure you get a lot of money right here online. Make sure you like this tutorial, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then share this video with somebody to also watch. Alright, see you in the next tutorial.